Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to day 5 of the Appalachian Trail. We made it to Catawba shelter last night pretty early, so I got to relax a little bit. We're going to do Mcafee Knob and Tinker Cliffs today, try to get to Lambert shelter, and it's about 8.4, so a lot of uphill, a lot of downhill, but we will get it done. So we'll see you down the trail. All right, we're here at Mcafee Knob. Just got up here, took some pictures. Beautiful day to be up here. The weather is just gorgeous. So, oh, what a day. Do Tinker Cliffs next, and then call it a day. Beautiful. This is Tinker Cliff. That's Mcafee Knob right there.